Dear students, this is our 41st lecture on organic reaction mechanism, and continuing with aromatic electrophilic substitution. Today in this lecture we will discuss Friedel-Craft acylation. Friedel-Craft acylation is one of the reactions of electrophilic aromatic substitution. In the previous lectures we have already discussed nitration, sulfonation, halogenation and Friedel-Craft alkylation. So today in this lecture we will discuss Friedel-Craft acylation. The Friedel-Craft acylation is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction where the aromatic systems, when reacted with acyl chlorides or anhydrides, in the presence of a catalyst like Lewis acid, they are converted into these types of aryl alkyl ketones as the product. And this whole process of conversion of aromatic systems into aryl alkyl ketones is called as Friedel-Craft acylation. The mechanism is similar to what we have seen in the previous halogenation or nitration or Friedel-Craft alkylation. So only difference is in alkylation we have used alkyl halides, whereas here we are using acyl halides or acyl anhydrides. So in the first step, the acyl halide or acyl anhydride will react with the Lewis acid, and this type of intermediate will be formed where because of the presence of these two lone pairs, it will share with the aluminum trichloride, and this oxygen will have positive charge and AlCl3 will have negative charge, and then X from here and AlCl3 from here will be removed, as if this X is say halogen, because acyl chlorides we are using. So AlCl4 negative will be removed, AlCl3 and Cl from here, and we will get this type of acylium cation. And this acylium cation is a very stable cation because this is a resonance hybrid of these two structures. Then this electrophile will react with the aromatic system, and we will get this type of sigma complex. And then in the second step, and this sigma complex then in the final step will interact with the AlCl4 negative, and proton will be abstracted from here, and aromatization will take place to give us aryl alkyl ketones as the product. So this is how the aromatic systems, they are converted into aryl alkyl ketones, and the reaction is known as Friedel-Craft acylation reaction. These are some of the important examples of Friedel-Craft acylation. This is an example of intramolecular Friedel-Craft acylation, and here this reaction take place in the presence of HF5P as the catalyst, 1,1,1,3,3,3 hexafluoro 2-propanol. This act as a catalyst in this reaction. So this alcohol, because of the presence of these electron withdrawing groups in the form of fluoro, is very acidic in nature, and this will interact with this acyl chloride, and this chloride will be removed from here to the HF5P, and an acylium cation will be generated at this carbon, and then aromatic system will attack this electrophile, and cyclization will take place to give us these types of intramolecular Friedel-Craft acylation product. So ketone, aromatic ketones, they will be formed as the product. Then similarly, trifluoromethane sulfonic acid can also act as a catalyst for these types of Friedel-Craft acylation reaction in case of beta lactams. So beta lactams, when they react with trifluoromethane sulfonyl chloride, then this carbon nitrogen bond will break. H from here will go to this nitrogen, and this ring will open, and positive charge will be created at this carbon containing carbon oxygen double bond. So acylium cation will be formed at this place, and H will go to this nitrogen, and then this acylium cation will interact with the aromatic system. Electrophilic aromatic substitution will take place, and we will get these types of aryl alkyl ketones as the product. In another example, boron trifluoride etherate will be used for the Friedel-Craft acylation of 4-azido-butanol chlorides as the substrate on aromatic system. So this Lewis acid will interact with the acyl chloride, and we will get acylium cation at this place, and then this will undergo lactophilic aromatic substitution, and then this azide will undergo elimination of nitrogen molecule, and cyclization will take place at nitro, and we will get these types of substituted N-aryl lactams as the product of Friedel-Craft acylation reaction. Then similarly, indoles, they can also undergo Friedel-Craft acylation reactions when they are reacted with dialkyl aluminum chloride as the catalyst. When indoles they interact with the dialkyl aluminum chloride in presence of acyl halides, then they are converted into indole alkyl ketones as the product. And similarly mechanism is that here we will get acylium cation, and that acylium cation will add to the 3 position of the indole, and we will get these types of products. Then similarly we can synthesize indazolones. These types of heterocyclic compounds, they can be synthesized from these types of N-isocyanates. So when they are reacted with trifluorotoluene, then these at 180 degree centigrade, this will break from this place, and a carbocation will be generated, acylium cation will be generated when they are heated at 180 degree centigrade, and then this acylium cation will attack the ortho position, orthocarbon, and this will undergo cyclization through Friedel-Craft acylation reaction will take place to give us indazolones as the product. Then similarly chrominones or thiochrominones. So chrominones when this Y is oxygen, and thiochrominones when this Y is sulfur. So these can be synthesized via one pot Friedel-Craft acylation continued with cyclization from the beta chlorovinyl ketones of these types. So when these acid chlorides, they are reacted with these types of alkynes in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then in the first step this electrophilic carbon and this nucleophilic halogen will add to the carbon-carbon triple bond, and an intermediate of this type will be formed, and then this intermediate will undergo elimination of methyl chloride, and cyclization will take place to give us these types of thiochrominos or chrominones as the product, depending upon whether Y is oxygen or Y is sulfur. So these are the references which have been used for preparing this lecture. Thank you very much.